Start. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Opponent 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pre-pots and dip it. I ain't calling shit out, so do it up.
How much can we take before we get a settle? Thought we were set for a perfect scene. Everyone is waiting.
Give me more raid, faggot. Hit me hard.
For a failure, something that can please and justify.
Fail.
Everyone is waiting for something they cannot have.
Just for the record, I'm pulling 18k right now, so don't fuck this up.
I'm on my knees. You got the mindset of a killer, and it will not take you far. If I had the answer, would that make you stay?
Keep me alive. He's not. I haven't taken damage. Oh, let's fuck this. Give me more fucking vengeance. Pick it up, come on. Don't fuck this up.
You are waiting for something you cannot have. If this would be your last breath, would that change a thing?
If I need to be you.
If you just let me, I'll find a way to ease your mind and for you to
grab it. Keep going, guys. If anyone has somehow any melee fucking enhancing party moves, fucking use it now.
Here's the thing that makes life so interesting. The theory
Keep me
of
up.
evolution claims only the strong shall survive.
Go, go, go. Hit me up.
Maybe so. But the theory of competition says
Dude.
just because they're the strong doesn't mean they can't get their asses kicked. That's right. See, what every long shot come from behind underdog will tell you is this. The other guy may in fact be the favorite. The odds may be stacked against you, fair enough. But what the odds don't know is this isn't a math test. This is a completely different kind
Fuck
of test.
yes. That's a rule of logs. That is ranking right there. That is a rank.
It's a funny way of trumping life.
That has to be a rank.
Before
17k.
you step up to the starting line, before the whistle blows and the clock starts ticking, just remember, out here, the results don't always add up. No matter what the stats may say, and the experts may think, and the commentators may have predicted, when the race is on, all bets are off. Don't be